Salesforce Payments, integration with digital wallets ahead. Digital wallets are now very popular. Many consumers want a secure, easy way to buy online. Digital wallets let customers store their payment info securely. They can make transactions with just a few clicks. This eliminates the need to enter their info for every purchase. Why integrate digital wallets with Salesforce Payments? Improved customer experience. Customers will have a smooth experience if they can use their preferred digital wallets. This will boost customer satisfaction and retention. Faster transactions. Digital wallets enable quick, secure transactions. They cut the time for customers to complete their purchases. This can help increase conversion rates and drive more sales for your business. Enhanced security. Digital wallets use encryption to protect payment info. This makes transactions more secure for businesses and customers. Integrating digital wallets with Salesforce Payments will add security to your payment process. Access to valuable data. Digital wallets give businesses data on customers' buying habits. They can then run targeted marketing campaigns and send personalized offers. This data can help businesses better understand their customers and drive more revenue. How to integrate digital wallets with Salesforce Payments? Choose a payment gateway. It must support digital wallets and Salesforce Payments. Options include PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Set up your account. Create an account with the payment gateway. Then, link your digital wallet to Salesforce Payments. Test your integration. Ensure the integration works. Customers must be able to use their digital wallets for smooth transactions. Monitor performance. Track key metrics, like transaction success rates and customer feedback. This will help optimize the integration and ensure a smooth payment experience. You can link digital wallets with Salesforce Payments. This will give your customers a secure, convenient payment experience. Please follow the steps to do this. This will boost your sales and revenue. Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating digital wallets with Salesforce Payments is a game changer for businesses.